Mai I pōtiki rua ki te toka a Taiau. Rere iho ki ngā tukemata o ka hungunu. Ngā reo irirangi o te rāwhiti.
In the heart of Elgin, there were delighted and hearty Te Matatini supporters who gathered to watch the biggest spectacle held every 2 years. And that story's coming up soon on
Kapu Taira, your stage for the biggest stories happening around Aotearoa, brought to you by Turanga FM, Radio Ngāti Porou and Radio Kahungunu.
Te Matatini o te kahui maunga was held in Ngā Motu last week, and those in attendance, including us, loved every minute of it.
E mea ana koe mātai. But some weren't able to go to Ngā Motu for the Te Matatini, so they had to find an alternative venue to watch right here in Turanga.
Tō rātou wai maria hoki, ma te kāingatai o te kāingarua, and the kāingarua was provided by Turanga Health, a special screening of Te Matatini at the Manawaru Cafe. That story's coming up soon, but first, here's the latest news stories.
Mōre nei he ka mā ki konei ki Turanga nei tū ai tētahi kaupapa whakanui I ngā wāhine o te ao. He kaupapa kua whakaritia e BPW Turanga Nui a Kiwa, ngā wāhine Māori toko I te ora kahui wāhine ki te tai rāwhiti, te rōpū wāhine South Pacific. He parakuihi, he whakarongo hoki ki ngā kai kōrero wāhine toko whā, te mahi mai te waru karaka I te ata, Toru te Kapu Taira mō ia tikiti, a koe tahi o taua utu ka whakataha hia mō ngā wāhine e rongo ana I te taumahatanga huri noa I te ao. Ki ka hungunu, tōna rua te kaumārima ngā kōhatu I tūkinotia e tētahi ki te urupa o Ōmāhu I ēnei rangi tata nei. Kei te karanga ngā prihi mana ki te hapori, ki te nana kia hoki nāna tēnei mahi kia kōrero tia mai he hai pēnei ai, I runga I ngā āhuatanga kaore he CCTV ki te wāhi rā. Kua kei te ohorere, kei te ngaua hoki e te mamai ngā whānau, ka noho tūwhira tētahi kehi tai noa atu ki te mau. Kāti, koera katoa ngā tai pito pito kōrero I tēnei wā.
Last week, Turanga Health welcomed the community to Manawaru Cafe for a big screen showing of the Te Matatini Te Kahui Maunga Festival.
Kapa Haka supporters and lovers assembled at the newly designed Manawaru for free coffee and hāngī, and to experience Te Matatini alongside other Kaitautoko.
And to watch us. Mā takitaki mai.
Last weekend, Turanga Health brought the community together at the Manawaru Cafe in Elgin to celebrate Te Matatini Kahui Maunga in true whānau style.
Lots of excitement, particularly for us as we're looking to plan ahead. We knew that we needed to get the doors open for our whānau so they can come and see their whānau who are performing.
The whole performance, I saw one of their practices, but to see them on the screen is totally different to what I expected. And, you know, I look at all my mokopunas on there too. And they're mine. They're all from Royal Whakata. And they're my mokopuna.
A big outdoor screen and an indoor viewing area ensured that everyone had the chance to experience the excitement of Te Matatini.
They brought the sunshine to the game and it was awesome. Yeah, they were all lit up. They were all had these mean smiles the whole way through. Their energy, their vibe went right through their bracket, right to the end, from beginning to the end. They didn't drop after the third song or anything. The energy was there right through.
The 2-day event was all about connection, culture and kai. Whānau were treated to free kai and coffee, creating a welcoming space to gather and enjoy all the performances.
Really heartwarming and sort of makes me want to cry. Them expressing themselves through haka, yeah, really holy.
so proud. All the hours and the travel that, you know, our whānau have put into their performances.
No, I loved all the performances from the Taira and whiti.
On finals day, the atmosphere was electric. With standing room only, the community came together to witness the very best of Kapa Haka in the world. To top off the celebrations, Turanga Health provided free hāngī for whānau to take home, making sure the spirit of the event lasted beyond the day. Turanga Health once again proving that when whānau comes first, the whole community thrives.
Ka Motuihi. Manawaru Cafe would have certainly been rocking with everyone there to watch Te Matatini. And the Manawaru Cafe, in case you don't know where it is, it's in the Algan shopping mall, and it's the place to be right here in Turanga.
Man, I wish we went there.
We'll go to the next one and watch ourselves.
Okay. If you're in Hastings, Karakia Creations is the place to get great kai. Karakia Creations is a Māori-owned whānau-operated catering and events company. We'll check out that story tomorrow. But until then...
E te ti, e te tā. Hei kona.